Hi, this is Chris from Formden.com, and I'm going to show you how to create a date picker for your Bootstrap form. To get started, we're going to go to Formden.com and we're going to click on Form Builder to use the Bootstrap Form Builder. And you'll notice that there are some default fields. We're just going to remove these fields. And then we're going to add a date field. If you click on the date field, we can see the properties. We have the format. We've got month, date, and then year, or month, day, and then year, excuse me. And the unique identifier, we're going to use the word date. Pretty simple. We can preview our form over here, and we see we have the one input, and it's very simple. It's not interactive. When we click on it, we don't get a calendar. What we're going to do in this tutorial is add a calendar. Another thing we can do to make it look a little better is prepend an icon to our form, and that just gives it a little better look so people know right away this is a date. Okay, and one thing you notice when we're done, we're going to get the code using our form builder. All right, so what we want to do is we want to add in an interactive element. So we're going to go to settings, and we can go down at the very bottom. There's an option to add in extra JavaScript or CSS, and we're going to use an existing open source plugin to add interactivity to our form. So we're going to be using the Bootstrap Date Picker plugin, and this is created by Embed Code, and this is on GitHub. If you look in the notes for this video, you'll be able to find a blog post with links to this plugin as well as to the form builder. And we're going to use the CDNs. That's just a content delivery network. It's a way that you can use the Bootstrap Date Picker without actually having to download the files. We're just going to embed a link to the plugin on our form. So if you go to the blog post, you'll see this is the information that you want to add to your form. And if we go down here to extra JavaScript CSS, we're just going to copy all of this text, all this code, and paste it in, and it will be added to our form. Okay, so you can see we're going to include jQuery using jQuery's CDN. We're going to include the date picker. And that includes both a JavaScript file and a CSS file. And then we're going to have a little bit of code that initializes the script. So it selects our date input, it chooses the container for the date input, sets the format, and sets a few options. All this is fully described in the blog post. So we copy all of this, and then we're just going to paste it in here. And it's a little bit hard to see, but we got it all in. And what you'll notice, if we click on the code, all of this code has been added to the end of our page. Okay, and now when we preview, we have an interactive date picker. So pretty cool stuff. Okay, when you're done, you can copy the code right here into your clipboard, or if you log in, create an account, you'll have an option. You can download it, or you can use Formden for processing. So for example, if you enter in a date, if you enter in your email address as the date, that field will be rejected. Or if you want the dates to be saved in an online spreadsheet or emailed to you, you can set that all up. First form's free. Check it out, give it a try. Make sure to look at the blog post if you have any questions and to see the links. All right, thank you.